Elenco.
Say thank you, Elenco.
Thanks, Elenco.
Oh, see what special thing. You did get an air screamer. How awesome is that?
That's awesome though. These are literally just no batteries.
All right, so what do we need? 5 saltwater drops?
Yep.
All right.
And now we just put a drop there, a drop there, a drop there, a drop there, and a drop there.
Okay.
Where's the magnesium?
It's right there on the floor.
The magnesium goes right here. And now, what I do is I slide this in. Here we go. Please.
Get one of these for your cousin. Okay, I hear it making noise.
And I feel it.
Oh, you know what? Your gears are not interlocked somehow. Elenco snap circuits may not always be easy, but they teach kids resilience, patience, determination, and ultimately pride. It's good for kids to have a project that takes more than one sit down.